Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Realme 8i smartphone. So now quickly open it and start the unboxing. Okay, so here in top we get this small box. You can see here, welcome to Realme family. And if you open it, so here we get the SIM ejector pin. Keep this aside, and inside it we get the reading manuals. And this is the matte finish, you can see, and matte finish back case. Okay, keep this aside, and guys, here's the font itself. So you can see here's the font itself. It is in a space black color. The space purple color is also available. Okay, we come to the font later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the cable. Let's check out. Okay, so here we get the USB type C to type A cable. And guys, this is the 18 watt. This is the 18 watt fast charger you get in the box, which is a really good thing. Okay, so that's all we get. Keep this thing aside and come to the font. So you can see the font itself. Now quickly remove its plastic cover, so you can see the font. So you can see the design, the unique design. You can see it has a unique design, exceptional look. You can see. If we talk about the back and frame, it's made by plastic, but if we talk about the design, you can see it looks unique. Yep guys, design looks good. The silky, you can see the silk touch, you can see the good, the unique finish, you can see. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, in the top we get nothing. On this side we get the side mounted fingerprint with the power on off key. On bottom we get the main speaker, USB type C port, dual main microphone, and this is the 3.5mm headphone jack. And on this side we get the volume up and down key, and this is the SIM tray. Okay, now quickly check this and see what specification we get out of it. So guys, this is really good thing. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card up to 256 GB. Which is a really good thing. It has a triple card slot, and here you can see on back it has a triple rear camera, 50 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel with LED flash. You can see 50 megapixel matrix AI camera over there. And here's the branding of Realme, you can see. And if we talk about the front, it has 6.6 inches massive full HD plus 120 Hz ultra smooth display. And here we get the 16 megapixel front camera over there in punch hole display. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has a MediaTek Helio G9612nm octa-core processor. It has 6.6 inches full HD plus IPS LCD display with 120 Hz refresh rate and 600 nits peak brightness. It has 128 6GB and 64 4GB internal storage variant available with the UFS 2.1 speed. It has dual nano SIM with dedicated micro SD card slot support up to 256 GB. It has triple rear camera, 50 megapixel f1.8 aperture, 2 megapixel B&W and 2 megapixel with macro lens. It has 16 megapixel f2.1 aperture front camera. It also supports the panorama feature, which is a really good thing. It has 5000 mAh battery which supports 18 watt fast charging, and guys, it is running on Android 11 based on Realme UI 2.0. And for better security, it has side mounted fingerprint and face unlock. So you can see I have set up the device, and this is the main screen of Realme 8i smartphone. Okay, if we side up, we get the Google feedback feature. And if we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer. And if we slide from top, we get the notification center. You can see the helpful quick settings is also available there. And over there you can adjust the brightness. Okay, so you can see guys, it has 120 Hz ultra smooth display, which will give you the fluid movement. Yep, no doubt. You can see it is running really fluid. You can see. Okay, now, and if we go and settings, let's check how much storage we get out of 64 GB. So if we go in storage, here you can see 16.6 GB phone used out of 64 GB. And if we go in about phone, so you can see the device name, version, the Realme UI version 2.0, and the Android version. Okay guys, this is a really good thing. It is running on latest Android 11. And the Android security update is of August 5, 2021. And you can see the processor MediaTek Helio G96 powerful 12nm octa-core processor, and RAM is also shown here 4 GB. And you can also see the device storage here 47.4 GB available out of 64 GB. Okay, now quickly go back. As you can see guys, you can see no doubt the UI is really, you can see it is really running smooth. You can see. If we go in, you can see it is set to high, and I would suggest you select auto select for automatically selected for best refresh rate for an application. So the auto select is best. Here you can see power usage will be increased in high usage. You can see in the high refresh rate the power usage will be increased. So I would suggest you select auto select. Okay, now again go to auto select and go back. Yeah, it will automatically adjust according to the application, which is a really good thing, and which will less consume the battery. Yep guys, phone is running smooth. Okay, now, and after it, if we talk about its camera, it has a triple rear camera. So here are some shots I took with Realme 8i smartphone in different lighting condition with different modes. And after the camera, if we talk about its side mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance, let's quickly check this out. If we talk about the side mounted fingerprint, here I put and it unlock. Try it many times. Guys, the fingerprint is ultra fast. You can see it has ultra fast fingerprint. You can see I put and it quickly unlock the phone. You can see I put and it quickly unlock the phone. Yeah. And if we talk about its face unlock, let's check this out. Okay, you are too fast. I'm not seeing a C, and it unlock the phone. Okay, now phone look at me and quickly unlock itself. I'm not seeing a C. And phone quickly unlock itself, you can see. So guys, both face unlock and side mounted fingerprint both are ultra fast, you can see. A put and it quickly unlock the phone. See, and yep. So guys, this is the unboxing of a Realme 8i smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.